In this video, we'll go over how to start an activity on your Garmin Vivoactive 3. To start an activity is pretty simple. All you have to do is press your key button, and you may have different activity profiles set up. Here we have the run. You can also tap on the dots here to choose a different activity profile. All this does is gives you a different set of data screens depending on the activity. So let's say we're doing a run, outdoor run. So we can just press, I already have the activity profile for run, just tap on it. For outdoor activities, you need to go outside and wait for the GPS to get a signal, give you a fix so you can start the activity. During this time, you can either choose a workout from your workout settings, if you have any custom workouts, or from the training plan, you can access them here. And you can also adjust some of your run settings, data screens, auto pause, setting up alerts, that kind of stuff. But basically, we wait till we get our green ring, and it will give us an alert when it's ready to go. And there you go. Now the GPS is ready. Now we can simply press the button to start the activity or stop. When we hit start, you can see that we're starting to record. Depending how you have your activity settings, you may have auto scroll, you may have your data screen set up differently. To stop the activity, just press it again, get your stop, get a summary, and if you're done, we could just tap done. We have the option to save or delete. Here we're going to delete or discard. Like that. Now if you wanted to choose another activity, it's basically the same process. Let's say you want to do a bike ride. Same deal, wait for the GPS, start the activity, stop the activity, and then decide if you want to save or discard. And there you go. That is basically how you do outdoor activities with the Vivoactive 3.